Hi, I'm Sneha. Today I'm going to show you some basic methods that might help you while drawing realistic paintings. So let's start. Well, if I start from the outline, basically there are a lot of processes, but I use grids while making outlines. But you can do whatever you want. So whenever I start sketching, I only focus on that very grid. First of all, I observe the light and the dark parts of the image. Then accordingly, I apply the first layer of the sketch. Basically, it's not mandatory to use the expensive pencils, but how you are applying that matters most. After the first layer, I make those curves with dark pencil. Generally, I use art line pencil for dark areas. After that, I use mechanical eraser, sometimes white gel pen too, for highlights. Actually, highlights make the painting more realistic. That's all. Thank you. Okay, enjoy the video.